Hi, I'm Jerry Gibbs, and today I'd like to look at how we apply dehumidifiers to a flooded house. So I've connected the duct in to the manifold just simply using elastic bands. There's nothing complicated about this, but all that's left for me to do now is to put the exhaust to a safe place. In this case, we're going to purge the humidity out from the window, and then I can turn the system on. And we can see the duct is inflated, we can see the air going through the tent. Now we've created a focused drain regime, so the air from the dehumidifier focuses on the tent only, and it doesn't matter who's cooking, cleaning, boiling kettles. All of the humidity that would normally be present in the kitchen is not going to affect the drain regime behind the tent. So that makes it efficient.